Hey, it's Jack. Thursday. Market's a little soft today, a little bit down, but that was to be expected because of how much the market had run last week. Now, this week it hasn't done nothing. It's just been puttering and putzing around back and forth, up or down a little bit, but nothing major. Nothing is going on. Here's what's going on. It ain't in the broad market, but it's in these reactions to news and earnings. And customers, investors, they are just not dealing with some of these earnings to the downside. There's a huge overreaction. I'll give you a couple examples. Just one was on news, it was on Nvidia. They were not going to be able to get the chips to China, or whatever the news was about that, and the stock dropped temporarily below $400. Then it rallied back pretty strong. You can look at where that is today. Then we had Caterpillar, had a great quarter, but they said one thing in the guidance that spooked everybody, and that was that the backlogs weren't as backlogged as they used to be backlogged, and that sent the stock tumbling. Now, these are overreactions. Now, today, we got an overreaction in Lilly. Okay, now I own the stock. I'm not telling you to buy it, but I am telling you to watch this, and you may want to make a move on it. So, it's the buy on rumor, sell on news type of thing, where Lilly got a drug approved and then the thing's down $30. Now, what I want you to do is just look at it. I'm not saying you even want to buy a share or buy a call, but if you think this is an overreaction, like I do, some of these snapbacks have been pretty reliable, kind of low risk trade. Now, if you get into it and it's already beaten down and it goes like 5% lower, I would just put a stop order in there. Now, you never want to put a stop in on an options order. But if you buy a call and you get down 20 to 30 or 40 or 50%, you want to just cut your loss right there. Never put a stop order in on an option. But if you buy one of these beaten down stocks where there was an overreaction to the downside, you can go along even one share just to see how it pans out. If you buy those options, buy them like at the money with about 2 weeks left in time. And if you don't want to take any action on it at all, that's okay, but do watch it. Just watch Lilly today and tomorrow and see what happens. It took a wild whack on good news, and I think it's an overreaction, and these overreactions up or down can give you a quick profit. But watch this one. Use this one as kind of like your test case.